How to verify your Apple ID. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can verify your Apple ID, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to verify your Apple ID, maybe it's just asking you to verify the email address. It's very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the settings application on your iPhone, and once you launch the settings app, from here you want to simply go to your Apple ID profile from the very top of the screen. Now right over here, whenever you are asked to verify, you will find a pop-up right over here that asks you to verify it. So you can tap on verify and make sure you do that, or you can just go to the sign in and security option manually. When you go to sign in and security, there you'll find the two-factor authentication option. Make sure to tap on that and then verify with your code. Then after that, your account will get successfully verified. This way you can verify your Apple ID. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.